Good afternoon students, again welcome back to my channel Exact. So in this video we are going to discuss about the complete prediction that's regarding the LRW section going to conduct on 5th February 2022. Okay, it's an academic and center module test date, and we already updated the complete overview regarding the February month test paper for your booking purpose. So according to your skills in each module, you can select the comfortable test date by seeing that particular video. So I will provide the link in the description for that. So in this video we will see about the 5th February in detail. So starting from the listening module, Part 1, you will get a telephonic conversation between two speakers related to any social content, and the question format will be fill-up type of question and the word limit 1 word and or a number. So this part will be an easy one. Moving on to Part 2, you can expect a talk from a guide this time as the audio, and the question category will be short MCQs along with 3 options and map completion type of question. They will give the description like questions, and you want to select the ABCD like that from the map. This part also will be an easy one. Moving on to Part 3, you will hear an academic discussion between some students along with their professor, and the question category will be selection of letters. You will get 5 options and you need to select any 2 from that according to their dialogue. You can expect 2 set of this type of question along with that matching type of question. They will give options in a box and you want to cross accordingly. This part will be little bit tricky. Moving on to Part 4, you can expect a monologue as a audio. That means an academic monologue, and the question category will be fill-up type of question and the word limit will be 1 word only. That will be a summary completion. Okay, so this part also will be an easy one. So overall we can set it as in easy to moderate level only based on Part 3. So Part 3 you can expect a little bit fast audio, and the question category will be also little bit tricky. Okay, so the remaining will be easy and you can crack more. Then regarding the reading module, first we'll see about the academic module. In passage 1, you can expect any biography or autobiography related to a person. So this passage will be in easy to moderate level, and the question category will be true, false, not given, and also fill up type of question. That will be 1 word only fill up, a short not completion like that. Moving on to passage 2, you can expect in moderate level, and the question categories will be matching type of question. That means list of heading like that. Fill up type of question, the word limit will be 1 word only, and selection of letter type of question. They will give options and you need to cross from that according to their instruction, mostly 2 from 5 options. So this passage may be related to science, invention, research and all. Okay, then moving on to passage 3. The passage will be in moderate level, and the question category will be MCQs along with 4 options. Fill up type of question, they will give options in a box, mostly the synonyms you need to concentrate on, and matching type of question. They will give options in a box and you need to cross it, maybe writer's name, author's name like that. So that's about the reading module. You can expect in moderate level or moderate plus. So the reading materials are available in our Facebook page, and I will provide the link for that in the description, so you can just check it out and work on that. Then regarding the general module reading, in section 1 will be an easy one. You can expect the questions like matching type of question, that means which paragraph contain this information. And for this question, they will give NB, like you can use any letter more than once. So concentrate on that along with that true, false, not given type of question. Then in section 2, again it will be easy passages, and the question category will be fill up type of question. You can expect table completion more or else diagram completion. That will be 1 word only. And along with that, one more set of fill up type of question, that will be sentence completion, no more than 2 words. Then regarding the last section, section 3, you can expect in moderate level. The question categories will be match the information type of question, that means list of heading, MCQs along with 4 options, and fill up type of question, that will be 1 word only. So overall the reading module will be in easy to moderate level, so you can follow the same level of question like Cambridge 16, because this year we will get the new edition, but it will be the half of the year or something like that, so you can just follow the level of Cambridge 16. Now regarding the academic writing, in task 1, this time you can expect line chart, bar chart, table or else pie charts. they won't ask single pie, so you can expect pie chart either in the morning section or in the evening section. So these 4 category, that means infographic structure, you need to concentrate on. Regarding task 2, you can expect opinion type essay or discussion with opinion type essay, and also direct question. Direct question means sometimes, most probably they will give 2 parts. Rarely we are getting 3 parts also. Anyway, direct question you need to concentrate on. So the writing master classes are available in our channel, so you can just go through the playlist. Then regarding the gender module writing, in task 1, this time you can expect semi-formal letters. Try to concentrate on how to open up, how to enter the data and all. And regarding the task 2, you need to concentrate on opinion type essay, discussion with opinion type essay, and problem solution essay. So sometimes they will give problem and ask for the cause and effect, or else they will give a situation and ask for problem and solution. So these 3 category you need to concentrate on. Then regarding the essay topics, it's applicable for both academic and gender module if you are appearing morning or evening slot. So the first topic is building and housing related, about the renovation of all building, the construction of new building related to housing shortage in cities. Okay, then government role in any aspect, and the money based question, economy related questions. Then environmental problems and the conservation of natural resources. Then educational related and the development of child development related question. Then about the people and their characteristics. Then related to health, exercise and food related questions. Then technology, information or communication technology, and also media platforms including social media platforms. Then society or social issues, any type of social issues they can ask with. And the last topic is transportation related and tourism related questions. So these all are the topics you need to be familiar with. So try to collect some ideas. It's good to collect ideas from different essays, but don't follow any outdated structure. Then regarding the IELTS classes, the slots are available from 20 Jan, so you can reserve your seats. So thank you so much. Stay tuned.